I'm going to show you how to implement custom dialog loading when you are refreshing a list view. So let's start. First of all, you have to open Sketcher and create a custom project. I will name this as custom loading dialog. I will name it as custom loading dialog. So in here, I will create a list view so you can understand about it. So the event is when you refresh, when you put the data in the refresh, you need to add a custom dialog loading. So first of all, we will make the list view. I will make a simple list view. You can use file-based list view even. Just a small code. Imagine this is the code, this is the map, and I'm adding some details. The key is I and the value is X. So you can use your custom one with file-based even. So I'm copying these two. So these are the things I have, so I will refresh it. I will set in the custom view. The map will be list map, and let's set the bind of the list view. Go to custom view and set cut cust and put linear and a text view, and for the list view custom view choose SSD. So now we have set the list view, so let's run the project and see the output. Sorry for the advertisement. So let's wait for the Java. So what is the reason we are doing this video? Because most of them asking how to add a dialog loading when refreshing a database function and when refreshing list view. So this is the result of the problems you have gained. So let's install. So this is the list view. So what we want to do when this list view will be refreshed, you need a dialog box and a loading like sketchware and finishing when it's over. So every user can use it as if it's 3G and 4G internet connection. So let's start. So go to Moblock and share Moblock and search as custom loading, which was made by me, Manish Nirmal. Go to the thing and search custom loading. Search custom, it will come up here in the top. Custom loading. So this is the one. Download it. Download. Sorry for the advertisement. So after download it, name it as you wish. For the moment I will put as custom as US, so it's easy to recognize. So now so this is a screenshot of the preview of the function. So it will load like this. So let's go back and import the downloaded notebook, this one, and done. So let's open it, custom view, and this is the source code, and I have set a custom view, so you have to create a custom view called custom dialog here, custom layer, custom dialog. So create it, let's go to create it, custom dialog, and you have to input some linear and a progress bar. So put as custom view, dialog, So this is the custom dialog. Put a linear with net parent and gravity center horizon and center vertical, and put linear another one, and that should be maps, and it should come here, and make it sure you have to put the center and put a progress bar, circle one. Okay, put the size of the circle bar as 40, so it will be nice look. 40, the height even. Okay, now go to the linear tool and id limit as linear base, because I have set the linear base as like that. So that's it. So the more block is completed, you will not get more any errors. Let's see the custom view, and linear base is the linear that we have set the circle. So that's it. So I recommend you to use a component for this action. So I recommend to use a timer t, create a timer as t or as you wish, and go to the activity where you get the data from Firebase or any other JSON method, and use the timer to use a timer t timer as 100, put the loading as true, and then when it's over you have to put the operator as false. So this is the code, and even you are putting the Firebase data, you have to put a timer and then the block inside, because it will first go to the timer. So as we do it, it's like this. So first the loading, and after time the refreshing the data. So this is code. If you put in the Firebase, put the Firebase data. So let's run and see. So sorry for the previous thing. It was a glitch from Sketcher. So now let's run the project and see the output. So what is the happening here is when the data is refreshing, it set the dialog box, the loading icon, and if the data overrun get and it's okay, the loading will be disappeared. So you can use for the Firebase even. So there's no problem of network slow, because they are loading even again if the network is slow. So let's open, and now you can see it can't be because data is already loaded. So let's try to not to put as false. So here let's put false. Let's put a false here. Okay, so let's run the project. Install project, open, and even you can't see because the data is so fast. So if you are testing a database which has more data, so you can see the difference. For the moment I will remove the false, but you have to put it, because if the data are slow, the current moment my data are fast, so the dialog box will appear, and in 1 second it will be disappearing. So put this. So for the custom, for the moment I will remove, because I want to show you how it works, but it won't disappear. Okay, so you have to put that block. Okay, don't remove it. If you remove, the icon will be loading forever and forever. But what happening here is the data is too fast, so the dialog box is appearing and is disappearing. So now let's open. So here you can see now the loading is loading, but it's not disappearing, because even all the data are done, it's not disappearing. So hope you understand the video, and if you have some issues about it, please write in the comment section, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos that I am releasing forward. And thank you.